Let's make low carb chips from cheese, or cheese crisps. We're gonna make them in microwave. Take microwave safe dish. And also take parchment paper and cover your dish. I'm using 8-inch diameter round parchment papers from Amazon. Supermarkets usually sell only rolls of parchment paper. I can put link in description for you. Take any cheese, mozzarella, jack, cheddar, but not Parmesan. Parmesan is gonna stick to your paper. And also don't use any wax paper, freezer paper, or foil. Just get parchment paper and then you will have a party. It's a good idea to measure it. I don't measure it. And sometimes I get to add additional 10-15 seconds to my minute, because it varies on the amount of cheese. But if you're gonna measure, for example, quarter cup will be 1 minute and 10 seconds. That way you get perfect crispness every time. Alright, if you get more than one batch of chips, then use the same paper and the same plate and chill them a little bit on a cooking sheet for 1 minute. And then you either cut them with scissors like me, or if they're super crunchy, you just break them apart randomly. That's all you need to know about crispy chips. They're zero carbs practically, and they're a good addition to any low carb meal. Look how yellow, bright and beautiful they are. I hope this video helps. Have a nice day.